Greetings and welcome to Studio G. And today in this video, we're going to be talking about low risk investing. Okay, low risk investing meaning it's not really a risk that you could lose your money. But first, I want to give a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for information purposes only. Please seek duly licensed financial advisors before you start investing your money. So again, in this video, I'm gonna be talking about low risk investments. If you're already an investor, congratulations. I am an investor and I do mid-range investing. So let's go ahead and jump into my computer so we can start this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe button, and share this video on your social media. Let's jump inside my computer. Okay, now that we're inside my computer, I would say the first low risk investment will be to invest in yourself. Okay, because when you invest in yourself, as long as you keep yourself level headed, you cannot lose. And so I'm not going to read what's on this website because we're not allowed to do that. But I'm just going to go over because I already read this. And so the first thing you want to do is develop your skills. Meaning, go back to college, take a class. Okay, explore things that you haven't done and be open to new ways of earning money, making money. The next thing, explore your creative side. If you haven't tried writing a book, try writing a book. If you haven't thought about painting, start painting. Nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Meaning you have to nurture your mind and your body, and that's an investment in yourself. Working out, that's a low risk investment. So the first one is invest in yourself. Okay, the next low risk investment is a high yield savings account. Now, what is a high yield savings account? A high yield savings account is a savings account that pays way more than your average savings account. Okay, and usually you get a high yield savings account from the bank that you have your checking account at. Now, if you don't know where to find these accounts, you can go on bankrate.com. That's the site I'm on right here, and it has a whole list of high yield savings accounts. Okay, it tells you the bank and it tells you their rates and everything. The high yield savings account is also backed by the FDIC, meaning your money is federally insured. So a high yield savings account is a low risk investment. Next up is a Series I savings bond. Okay, a Series I savings bond is a low risk investment. Now, what is a Series I savings bond? It is a security that earns interest both on a fixed rate and twice a year based on inflation. The bond earns interest until it reaches 30 years or you cash it out, whichever comes first. Okay, and so you can get these bonds right here on the Treasury Direct website. It's the site that I'm on right here, and it goes over all the information for you. It lets you know everything about the bonds, and you can find out any information. You can get it from this website, and it's a very safe investment because it's backed by the U.S. government. So a Series I savings bond is a very low risk investment. Next up is a long-term or short-term certificate of deposit. Now, what is a certificate of deposit? A certificate of deposit is sort of like a savings account, except you cannot get any of the money out for a fixed time frame. And if you do, it's kind of like a little penalty. But do your own due diligence on this. So you can get a certificate of deposit for from 6 months up to 5 years. And you can go on this site called bankrate.com, and it gives you a list of banks and the rate. It'll tell you the bank, it'll tell you the rate, it'll tell you the minimum deposit, and then it'll tell you the term. Like this first one has a 3.25% and it's for 5 years. Has a minimum deposit of $0, so you can put a low amount in this. And as you go down and scroll this website, you'll see different ones, and it's for a number of banks across the nation. Now remember, back in the day, you only had to deal with local banks in your area unless you had a ton of money or you were a millionaire. Then you might have an out-of-town bank. But now with the internet, you can invest in any of these banks right from the comfort of your home. So a certificate of deposit is a low-risk investment. Next up is a vehicle called a money market fund. Now, what is a money market fund? A money market fund is sort of like a mutual fund, except a money market fund only invests in cash or cash instruments. Okay, so maybe they might have a bunch of certificates of deposits in the fund, maybe some gold or such things like that. So I'm over here on a site called Vanguard, and they have a fund over here called the Vanguard Federal Money Market Fund, and it tells you everything about it. Okay, so when you start getting into things like this, you still want to consult a licensed financial advisor. I'm just giving you a heads up on safe investments, and it'll tell you everything you need to know if you could do a Google search about money market funds. So those are very safe investments, and maybe you should look into those. Next up is Treasury bills. And Treasury bills are short-term government securities with maturities that range from a few days to 52 weeks. And so you can get a Treasury bill from the Department of Treasury. It's a US-backed security, and you can do that at treasurydirect.gov. So you see, that's the site that I'm on right here, and you can go in here and it'll tell you anything you want to know about government-backed securities. In this little menu that you see my mouse over, it tells you everything that you need to know about a Treasury bill. So a Treasury bill is a very safe, low-risk investment. Okay, and last but not least is a fixed annuity. What is a fixed annuity? A fixed annuity is an account where you get paid a certain amount up guaranteed. So when you contribute to a fixed annuity, they guarantee you a rate of return no matter what the market is doing right now. This is one of the most safest investments for retired people, a fixed annuity. Now, you want to do your due diligence, and you will want to contact an investment advisor who has a license to get more information on fixed annuities. So yes, a fixed annuity is one of the safest ways to invest. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Always remember to seek a duly licensed professional when you start investing. I am not a professional. I just made this video for information purposes only, so you will know what's available to you. Okay? Also, I put a link to my newsletter in the comments below. If you click that link and put your email address and name in there, you'll start getting emails from me, and I promise I will not spam you. Okay? Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more videos from me, Maurice, here in my studio, Studio G. Thank you. Have a great day. Hey, real quick, guys, I want to tell you about Robinhood. Robinhood is a mobile and online brokerage account company. Okay, you can buy stocks as little as for $1. You can buy crypto, including Bitcoin and Shiba Inu. You get a Robinhood Cash card where you can take your money out at an ATM. Okay, so real quick, what I want you to do is click the link below. It's gonna be a link somewhere around this video, and when you click that link, you're gonna wind up on this page. You're gonna get 1 free stock when you join Robinhood using my particular link. So just when you click the link, you'll get your free stock. You sign up. They also have other reward items. So click the link around this video or below, and thanks for watching.